Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Wizard Trader. First, navigate to the Strategy Tester panel on TradingView. Look for the Wizard tab, which provides a user-friendly interface for building strategies. You can define your entry and exit conditions using various indicators and price actions. This method simplifies the process, allowing you to quickly test different ideas and see their potential performance. It's a fantastic way to explore new strategies efficiently. Now let's build a strategy. Choose your preferred indicators from the extensive list available. For example, you might select a simple moving average crossover. Then specify your entry and exit rules, such as buying when the fast moving average crosses above the slow one. Don't forget to set your stop loss and take profit percentages, perhaps 2% for stop loss and 5% for take profit, to protect your capital and lock in gains. Once your strategy is defined, it's time to backtest. Run the backtest over different timeframes to see how your strategy would have performed historically. Pay close attention to key metrics like net profit, maximum drawdown, and the profit factor. If the results aren't ideal, don't worry. You can easily tweak your parameters, perhaps changing the length of a moving average or adjusting your stop loss to find a more robust and profitable setup. To take your strategies further, experiment with advanced conditions, like adding time filters or combining 3 or more indicators for more precise signals. Always save your best performing strategies so you can easily revisit and refine them later. Remember, continuous testing and adaptation are key to success in trading. Also, for some great deals and to grab a little Trees Black Ice air freshener, check out the link in the description below. It's a small touch that makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.